Hi guys, it's a warm weather for today, Friday, June 6, okay, at the ECS school, okay, the biggest school in Esteban, see, one of the famous and big school in ECS, okay. It's a warm weather with windy, but it's nice, see the plant is ready for summer. Okay, it's a warm weather. I like it. Okay, so for now, it's about 1:30 p.m. after half day work. So we stand by it a little bit here for some little bit occasion uh, because it's about a birthday. Okay, it's about birthday. So it's fine to stand by for a while in front of ECS and No Frills at Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay guys, see you again. Just a little bit vlog for now because it's a happy day and happy birthday. Okay? Okay, see you guys again and click the button and notification bell for upcoming video uploaded. And what do you mean by that? Subscribe, okay? For our YouTube channel. For now, okay, see you guys.